So you get to make 3 whole sloths with such a bad word for a German sloth. I try and say it. It doesn't sound quite right. I don't even know what the German word for it is. I was thinking the other day. Anyway, it's them. Oh, I think I have a... Emma, help me. What's the German word for sloth? It describes their character. I just have a sort of a vague memory in my head. Anyway, you get to make 3, and they are perfectly designed so that they can hang off things. So they have these little hooky arms there, and they can literally get a grip. Look, you can have a sloth hanging off your finger like that. I'm going to bring him really close because he wants to say, oh, not his bum, his head. Oh, there, he wants to say hello. And you get to make 2 adults and a child, baby, which can hang on to his mum or dad or her, whatever. And it's a wire armature technique. So, and the best of all, you get all this decoration as well. So you get the bamboo sticks and all these lovely leaves. So you can actually hang it on your wall ready. You don't need to worry. Oh, he's fallen off. He's had enough. It's not very attractive how he's sitting there now. Anyway, I'm going to let Sophie show you how to arrange them best in a minute. But let's open the box quickly and have a peek inside. So this is what happens when you get our makers boxes. Remember, we don't tie you in a contract. And also remember, if you want this one, don't buy it today. Buy it from the 1st of the... Ah, thank you, Emma. It's called a foul tier. And you know, foul doesn't mean foul like the German foul. It means lazy. It's a lazy animal. That's the name for it. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Yeah, so it's actually, it translates. Tier is the word for animal, and foul is the German word for lazy. So it's lazy animal, which is... I knew it was describing its character. It's a lazy animal. But you don't need to be lazy because you can make 3. And wait until 1 minute after midnight if you want this box. Otherwise, you're going to end up with the Dachshunds, which of course is also brilliant. But if you want the sloths or the foul tier, then I'm going to say that all the time now. It's much easier to say. Then you have to wait until the 1st of August. And that, of course, is UK 1st of August, not American 1st of August or Australian 1st of August. And in our makers boxes, you get also a newsletter. Tells you a little bit about the character of the animal. Usually, I haven't actually read this one because Sophie has written that one. And then you get our super duper instructions with step-by-step instructions. And you get your tape measure on here as well. And... It's really, they're really easy to follow our instructions. We get lots and lots of extremely good feedback on that. And then you get your pack with all the wool in it. Lots of very slothy colored wool. Get your bamboo sticks in there. We always give you free sample of our wool. That one is particularly good because as we're heading towards the pumpkins and because the pumpkins of course are on the back of the newsletter, that might just help you to finish yours off nicely. Get your pipe cleaners, your bamboo sticks in there, and then you get also your eyes as accessories in there as well. So enough said. If you ever want to skip a box because you run out of time or you don't fancy the project, we don't hold that against you, then you can easily do this by managing your own account. You can, instead of cancelling, it's not necessary to cancel, you can just skip the boxes. You can also, what else can you do? You can change the payment day. I'm just going to say this because a lot of people often complain and they say, I don't get my box until the very end of the month. Well, you can get it much, much sooner because you can actually change the payment time. If you need to know how to do this, read the back of the Makers Box newsletter or give us a shout and we'll help you. But try it first yourself, because then you'll all be pleased that you've managed it yourself, and then you can do other things as well. You can change your payment method on there as well in case your card is run out, and or maybe you decide to use your husband's card in the future, who knows. Then you can do that too.